When you receive that NuLifeSpan shipment and you open your box, you'll have your pack inside. The first thing that you're going to notice is that it's all made out of biodegradable cardboard material, which is very, very earth friendly. There's actually 3 components to this kit or this box. You're going to have your pamphlet in here, which will actually explain each and every supplement that's inside. Great little piece of information to go back for reference. And then inside the actual kit, it's 2 portions. You've got the outer container, which is, of course, telling you what pack you've got. And the inside is actually what we call the cassette. And that actually has a roll of 30 packets inside, all individually packed with your exact supplements that come in this particular energy pack. And again, and it'll label all of those. It'll tell you what exact supplements. In this case, we've got the energy pack. It has my name on it. It's got ashwagandha. It's got cordyceps. It's got green coffee extract, methyl B complex, rhodiola, and it's got tyrosine. So again, the energy pack. And we have like 20 different packs. So all of these are tailored towards whatever thing you're looking for, whether it's energy, longevity, sugar control, weight control, that kind of stuff. So really cool concept. This particular one has what, 1, 2, 3. This one has 6 supplements in it, and it basically eliminates the need to have 6 different bottles floating around. So if you're traveling, let's say you're going on a 3-day trip, you go down to 3 days and you pull it off and you've got this pack that you can throw in your bag, your backpack, whatever. Makes it very, very convenient. And cost-wise, when you add up the price of these 6 different supplements for quality supplements, it's, again, a very cost-effective and affordable way to do it. And most importantly, it's very convenient. You're not forgetting your supplements. It makes it really travel-friendly and just friendly overall to make sure that you've got your supplements on hand. Now, of course, when you get to the end of that cartridge, it will tell you, when you've got about 5 days, I believe, 7 days left, it'll let you know on the package that, hey, it'll be an empty one, that you are due for a refill so that you can get it ordered and you don't go a day without your supplements. Of course, we've got a nice autofill system or auto-subscribe. Saves you some money as well. Put it on that and you get your supplements every month without delay, etc. Check these out. I think you'll love them, and thank you so much.